over silver futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are slightly in positive MACD territory. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD. We continue to bounce right off the 50 moving average, this yellow line, at price of $22.36. As with the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and appears to be approaching to positive MACD as we're seeing increase in the green MACD bars. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $20.01, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $21.28. My stop loss is at $19.71. My short entry is at $21.91, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $20.33, and my stop loss is at $22.24. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 4.5%. To the downside, it has a 56% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4.5%, and a 11% chance to fall between negative 4.5 to negative 9%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.